Welcome to Torian. We are leading manufacturers of interior solutions for public, residential and commercial spaces. We have been at the forefront of the industry, crafting your everyday spaces since 1985. We are humbled to have touched the lives of millions of people with our range of world-class home and office furniture, innovative laminates, sturdy designer doors, exquisite veneers and top-grade plywood. Our manufacturing units are certified as per global standards, and Torian is an ISO certified company. Our 8 factories are situated in Maharashtra and Gujarat, with 7 units located in the heart of industrial hub at Palghar in Maharashtra. Welcome to our crafting unit, where we mold, engrave, cut, groove, polish and package the finest wood and wooden products for our discerning clients. We cater to varied domestic and international industries for their requirement of interior and exterior spaces. Spread over an area of 36 acres, our state-of-the-art production facilities produce products ranging from board furniture, entryway solutions, and office solutions like workstations, storage units, customizable modular furniture, and flat pack furniture, among many others. Quality is in our organization's DNA, from the raw material inspection to the checks at various crafting stages and final dispatch of goods. This is in relentless pursuit of our vision to be one of the best interior solution providers that has made what Torian is today. We ensure that each and every item that leaves our premises is flawless. With comfort as our gold standard, we create spaces that are made to cherish with our world-class products for a brighter, better tomorrow.